mis amores, this is Masi with My Sparkle DIYs. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing amazing today. I'm super excited because I'm participating in the $5 Dollar Tree DIY challenge hosted by Clueless Mama D and Ria's World of Ideas. Their channels will be listed in the description down below, as well as the link to the playlist where you can see everybody else's video on what they came up with only $5. You can go check them out after watching my video. Okay guys, so for my project I decided to make this farmhouse welcome sign. This was truly a challenge to make for only $5, but I couldn't be happier with the result. Okay, so let's go and jump to the tutorial. I used one bowl, one mop, one flying disc, and this sign right here. I removed the plastic top of the mop and also the bottom. I'm going to spray paint the flying disc with the Rust-Oleum black paint, and I'm also going to spray paint the stick and the bowl. Now with a hot knife, being really careful, I open a hole on my bowl to insert my mop stick. Going to glue the bowl and the disc together to make my base. I added a little bit of glue around to make it more secure. Now I'm painting my base with an acrylic black paint. Inserted the mop stick inside the hole and did the same steps as the base. Glue around, then black paint. Now for my sign, I painted the back with a white chalk paint, then I drew this cute little pumpkin on a paper and I'm going to place it on top to trace it. It will leave a mark for me to trace it over later. I'm going to write welcome. I couldn't use any stickers or anything like that to make the challenge fair, so I tried my best to write it as neat as possible, but I don't have the best handwriting in the world. But this is a challenge, so I challenged myself. Use a black permanent marker to trace my word, and it worked way better than I thought. A quick little tip when you're painting little things like this, use a Q-tip if you don't have a lot of experience with brushes. Actually, it looks even way better with the Q-tip than with the brush because it makes it more realistic. The paint even looks better and you will use way less paint with this. Always when you paint a pumpkin, paint in circular motion, never up and down or any other way, circular. We want it to look realistic. With the side of the Q-tip that has no paint, I'm just going to blend all the colors together. With a very bright green, I'm going to paint the leaves. To distress my sign, I'm brushing it with white chalk paint, then with the caramel brown color, I'm going to distress the corners of the sign even more. Okay, so since I didn't use the plunger for this project, I have $1 left. So I'm going to use this cute little scarf. I'm gonna make a bow. And the good thing about this is that I can just change the bow later on, and then I can use this for any other season. Okay, mis amores, thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos I upload on this channel. I want to give a big thank you to Clueless Mama D and Ria's World of Ideas for including us in this open collab video. You girls are amazing. Amores, don't forget to go check the description box to check their channels out and the playlist. I will see you soon on the next DIY. Bye!